Hi folks, Rob here and welcome to my channel. Today it's all about the paracord survival bracelet, and if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Inside of this paracord bracelet there is also fire cord, and I want to show you now how that works.
So let's get started with the Ashley stopper knot. It's relatively easy to make it. You just have to tie a loop, then you put the paracord around it and back through the loop. Now you tighten the knot first. Then the loose end comes back through the loop and you can tighten the knot. Now we put the paracord in front of us to the length we want for the bracelet. Now we add the fire cord and lay it on top of the paracord. If the fire cord is a bit too long, you can easily shorten it with a knife. So we start to wrap the long part of the paracord around the loop and wrap the fire cord with it. Now just keep wrapping until the complete fire cord is wrapped around and you are finished by the Ashley stopper knot. If you reached the end of the paracord bracelet, just cut off the piece that is too long for the paracord so it fits for your purpose. When you reach the end, you thread the remaining end of the paracord through the loop and pull on the loop at the other end of the bracelet. This fixes the loose part. The cut off part of the paracord is now burned with a lighter and can then be glued. Now you can rub the bracelet between your hands so that it is not so bulky. Now I'll show you how to quickly release the bracelet. Simply hold it with one hand and tighten the knot. It dissolves quickly and the fire cord is quickly available. This little hack makes the bracelet an absolute survival bracelet for me.
Okay folks, that was my paracord bracelet video. I hope you like it, and if so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Until then, stay wild.